Hi, Steve Johnson, General Manager of CutQuick, and today I want to talk a little bit about the cooling system. We're all well aware that you need to have the coolant level full, proper level, that we need to have the mixture right, proper amount of water to coolant, all of that to optimize our cooling ability. But one of the other really critical parts is to make sure that the radiator is clean. Got a little model built here to try to show this. Of course, we'd have a shroud in place and that would help the fan, but we don't have that, so we can see a little bit better. But this fan is a sucker fan, and in this example, just like on the CutQuick machines, the engine would be sitting here to my left behind the fan. Air would be drawn by the fan through the radiator to cool and then pulled through this way. So the problem is, along with all that air comes dirt, chaff, and other material that can impact the amount of air that can get through here because it clogs up the fins and the core. So basically, as this air comes through, amounts of debris are deposited in here, and that's what clogs up the radiator. So it's important to keep that clean. Now, the easiest way to go about doing that is to come over here with your hose with a fair amount of pressure, not an incredible amount because these are very soft fins, and wash the radiator. And you'll see dirt come off of it, and you'll think you're doing a great job, but actually it's not probably helping the situation. What that can do is force that debris that's caught in here, in a sense, pack it, force it deeper into the radiator, and even can almost make the situation worse. The only true correct way to clean this radiator is to come from this backside. So the air is coming through this way with the dirt. We want to push the dirt back out the same way that it came into the radiator. It's a little more challenging. It's certainly doable. I'd like to go out to the shop now. We're going to look at one of our machines and I'll show you how to go about doing that. But this is the only way we're really going to get this radiator clean. So let's go out to the shop and see how we should do it. Here we have one of our Super Slope Master machines, and we've removed the hoods from it. You can probably get away just removing the top hood, but in this case we have both hoods off of it. And what I'm trying to show you is that there is room to wash from the engine side out. You'll notice that here between the blades, and then again over here between the blades, there's room to wash the radiator. And that holds true all the way around the fan. You got to work around the fan, but all 360 degrees are accessible. Takes a little bit of time, but it's well worth doing because you're going to end up with a truly clean radiator. Thanks again for watching. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to give us a call at 800-248-5945, or you can visit us on the web at www.cutquick.com. Thanks again. Take care. Talk to you soon.